Oh, we're back. Today is what? The 17th of January, 2025. Hey, round two on the 2017 Jeep Cherokee Latitude small vacuum leak. So, let me show you what I think's going on here. I'll show you what we did to fix it last time. Okay. Got some light this time. So there's the brake booster. There's the stuff. So we know that's a vacuum line. We know that. We got light this time. We know that that is, like I said, a vacuum line. And it goes to the brake booster. You see that. At least I think you can. So that's, we'll check that. So we know this is vacuum coming from that. This is the repair we did last time. We'll double check that as well. But we're getting the lights coming back on and it's an issue. So let's get to it. Okay, see how much that light helps. Setting up the smoke machine. Before we do that, let me always check your driver screen and clean it. Not what the video is about, but just good practice every time. So we'll set up the smoke machine. Here we go. Wife likes me to cover up these. I don't blame her. Keep everything as nice as possible. Again, can't wait until the shop's done. Gotta start building it first. Okay. Here's the smoke machine. A big video on it from last time. Let's check the oil in it. Got a dipstick in here somewhere. Here it is. Voila. So we undo this. Remember? Yeah, it looks like it used a little bit of oil. Yeah. It says you can store it in there. It looks like maybe it evaporates a little bit. You see. It's about right there. Fortunately, they give you like 3 of these, which is good. But they say don't overfill it, so we don't want to do that. Okay. Here's the dipstick again. Let's see. It looks like it's right at the full mark. Looks like it's right there. So perfect. So one of those packages fills this thing up. And we screw this into there. Make sure you put a little oil in there for the ring, for the O-ring, like that. The light keeps coming on. In this situation, we want it on evap 0 to 1 psi. Okay. We got all that. I know we could use some better light here. Okay, let me say to hang this thing up. And I agree, that's what the chain is for. Just like that. See? We'll connect it to the battery. See that? Positive here. Negative here. See? A little bit better. Let's see if you're still with me. Yep, you are. See? Positive here. Or positive here. Negative here. And then there we go. We gotta wait for the smoke to come out. And there we go. Smoke. Works good. Okay, well, I'll disconnect that. I think we'll connect to here. We'll disconnect this. I think the last time I did this, I pushed this there we go. Push it this way. There we go. Just push it. Either way, I think, but push it that way. Okay. So first we'll check that. We'll check everything having to do with the... You just push this in there. You see that or not. Give it some smoke. Let me give us some light. I don't see any smoke coming out of there. I mean, first I gotta see if you're still with me. You are. We're checking there. I'm not seeing any smoke coming out of there. We know let's go inside the car, see if we see any smoke in there. We probably know it's not the booster. While we're in here, let's open up the gas. Here's inside the car now. If it was leaking in here, we would see it. Where the brake pedal goes. All that good stuff, but it's not. So, then, well, that isolates the brake booster. Again. Okay. So, need two hands for this, sorry. Let's switch it. I'm not seeing any smoke out of there whatsoever. So now, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Good. Now we'll switch it. We'll switch the smoker. Again, see, there it is, smoking. We'll switch it to there. I'm not seeing anything in here. Remember, that was what was leaking before. It doesn't appear to be. And although either way, we didn't fix the light. We taped it up. So, the only other thing, let's do this. Well, let's go over here. A lot of stuff comes back here. There's like a gas cap. Well, we don't see any smoke coming out of there. And there's some stuff under here. That ain't smoke, that's dust. There's some vacuum lines and stuff there. I don't know if you can see them. Sometimes that could be a problem. Well, we're not seeing any smoke from there or coming out from under the car. Put that back best we can. And we would see smoke.